Hello, and welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. In today's video, we're going to build a simple yet powerful quiz app. This app will feature multiple choice questions and a score tracking system. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up the project to coding the functionalities. Let's get started. First, let's set up our project. We'll use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this project. Create a new folder for your project and add the following files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. This HTML structure contains a container for the quiz questions and options, a button to go to the next question, and a result section to display the score. Now, let's add some basic styling to make our app look good. Open style.css and add the following styles. This CSS will ensure our quiz app has a clean and responsive design. Now, let's dive into the JavaScript. Open script.json. Start by defining the quiz questions and their options. Here, we've defined an array of quiz questions, each with a question, multiple options, and the correct answer. This JavaScript code handles the core functionality of our quiz app. It includes functions to load questions, handle option selection, move to the next question, and display the final score. Let's break down the code. 1. Quiz data. This array holds the quiz questions, options, and correct answers. 2. Current question index and score. These variables keep track of the current question and the user's score. 3. Load question. This function loads the current question and options into the DOM. 4. Select option, E. This function checks if the selected option is correct and updates the score. 5. Next btn.add event listener. Click. This event listener moves to the next question or shows the result if all questions are answered. 6. Show result. This function displays the user's score. 7. Restart btn.add event listener. Click. This event listener restarts the quiz. With these components, we've built a functional quiz app that tracks the user's score. And there you have it. A simple yet effective quiz app with multiple choice questions and score tracking. You can expand this app by adding more questions, enhancing the UI, or even saving scores to a database. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching Smart Architectural Programming, and happy coding!